My husband grew up here.
Lori Ponick is with Citizens for a Free Nebraska, an organization supporting 2 petitions dealing with Nebraska's annexation laws.
And we were just pretty upset about the fact that the city could just come in and say, you don't get a choice of where you live. On the front of the petition is, in bold print, is the basic premise of our statute. On the back is the full statute. So it's not just something that's just a one-sentence type of deal. So this all has to be made sure that it's all legal and constitutional and everything like that.
The League of Women Voters wants to remind people to be cautious and ask questions when approached by petitioners.
Every time there is an election cycle, there are also these petitions. And we have noticed in the last few years that sometimes they don't come from the grassroots of Nebraska. You know, they really are.
At the Recall Fahey locations, the signers came to them.
For one thing, you have to read the statements. Okay, there's the reason for the recall, and then there's also the mayor's defense statement, and you have to make, you know, people can read it themselves, but we're reading it to them. That way we make sure it's been read and it's legal, all up to snuff.
People had specific reasons for coming to the Recall Fahey petition locations.
Because of taxes?
He raised the property value last year $75,000. That made my taxes go up $1,300 more than it was.
Even though these people came to sign these petitions, Linda offers some advice to potential signers.
Make sure you know what you're signing. The people will usually approach you and say, this is just to get it on the ballot. Well, you really need to know more about it.
For the Omaha News, I'm Marjorie Sturgeon.